Good morning. It seems like the bulls will have to settle down for a bit now. On a day when the world markets were a bit skittish, India managed to outperform. The breadth was positive partly thanks to persistent surge in the small caps. The turnover was also quite good. Most of the buying came from local funds even as FIIs were net sellers. The momentum in small caps is being driven by retail investors. Now the big question which stands is whether this rally will sustain for a while or not. At least today we expect some softening due to fresh weakness in the global markets. US and European markets fell amid renewed concerns over the health of the Eurozone banks, and the Asian markets are also trading down this morning. There are reports that Europe's much-hyped stress tests were tough enough and that the strength of region's financial system remains suspect. And if the advance in the yen and gold are any indication, then risk aversion is still high. Global factors and events will continue to drive the local sentiments apart from liquidity. The near-term trading range over the Nifty is 5,400 to 5,700, and the market will meet resistance at around 5,650 and 5,680 before hitting 5,700. The near-term support is likely to kick in at around 5,550. Bank of Canada will take a call on key rates tomorrow. Bank of England will review its policy on Thursday. The RBI would meet on the 16th of September to review its policy rates, and the latest IIP data will be out on the 10th of September and August inflation on the 14th of September. IT firms could be in action again amid reports that the state of Ohio has banned outsourcing of government contracts. Sun Pharma is the stock to watch out for as the Supreme Court of Israel has announced a favorable verdict in the case against Taro Pharma. All PSUs might also gain amid reports that the government has increased petrol and diesel prices by a few paise. The other news for the day is several Indian companies might have to set aside 2% of their average net profits during the preceding 3 years to meet corporate social responsibility spending requirements as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs has agreed to the suggestion. Petrol and diesel prices across the country will be increased by 9 to 13 paise per litre with effect from Tuesday midnight after the government decided to increase the commission to petrol pump dealers. Telecom operators in the country added 17 million subscribers in July this year, taking the total number of mobile users in the country to 652.4 million. The country's tea exports fell by nearly 20% to Rs 2.1 billion in July. The government on Tuesday exuded confidence that the new company law will be enacted by the end of this fiscal. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. We advise buying the stock above levels of Rs 1,446 with a stop loss to be maintained at Rs 1,426 for a target price of Rs 1,486, and a buy on Mozabea. We advise buying the stock in the range of Rs 67.50 to Rs 68.50 for a target price of Rs 73.50 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 65. The derivative strategies are long Renuka Sugar August future in the range of Rs 73 to 74 for a target price of Rs 81 with a stop loss to be maintained at Rs 69, and long ABG Shipyard August future in the range of Rs 242 to Rs 244 for a target price of Rs 257 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 234.50. Thank you and have a great day ahead.